Hi, I just want to jump on today and talk about the breath and how to use the breath to help you fall asleep. The breath is a powerful tool that allows you to clear, soften, and relax parts of your body and your mind. And the key to using the breath when you're trying to fall asleep is to set the right intention. Let your breath know that you want it to clear, soften, and quiet anything that inhibits you from falling asleep. So you can take a deep breath in and send the breath to those tight muscles in your shoulders or in your hips or in your feet, any part of you that feels clenching, that's holding you back from drifting off into sleep. You can also send the breath to the mind with the intention that it quiets your mind, softens it, so that you can easily fall asleep. So when you try to go to sleep tonight, use the breath, set an intention, and I hope you get a great night's sleep.